Welcome back to the blame game. Whose fault is it anyway? This video discusses dealing with limited parts availability. In this video, we will discuss finding solutions and alternatives to minimize customer inconvenience and delays. As an automotive service advisor, you understand that one of the most challenging situations you can face is limited parts availability. When specific parts are not readily accessible, it can lead to customer inconvenience, delays, and potential dissatisfaction. However, with a proactive approach and a focus on finding alternative solutions, you can navigate these hurdles effectively. Let's explore strategies to help you minimize customer inconvenience and provide a seamless experience, even when faced with limited parts availability. Establish effective communication channels. Maintaining clear and open lines of communication with your customers is crucial when dealing with limited parts availability. Inform customers about potential delays as soon as you become aware of the issue. Explain the situation honestly, providing realistic timelines and potential alternatives. By setting accurate expectations up front, you can reduce frustration and build trust with your customers. Utilize parts interchangeability. In the automotive industry, many parts exhibit interchangeability across different makes and models. Invest time in researching parts compatibility and cross-referencing databases. This knowledge will enable you to identify alternative parts that can be substituted for the original ones. However, ensure you communicate clearly with your customers about the interchangeability and any potential differences or modifications required. Collaborate with suppliers. Forge strong relationships with your parts suppliers and keep them informed about your inventory needs. When faced with limited availability, reach out to your suppliers to explore all possible options. They may have access to alternative sources or suggest compatible parts that can serve as temporary replacements. Maintaining a good rapport with suppliers can significantly aid you in finding suitable alternatives promptly. Consider parts repair or refurbishment. In some cases, when specific parts are scarce, it may be possible to repair or refurbish the existing components. Collaborate with skilled technicians or specialized repair shops to explore this option. They can assess the feasibility of repairing the damaged parts and extend their usability. This approach can help minimize delays and inconvenience for your customers while still ensuring a reliable solution. Set realistic expectations. Throughout the process, it is crucial to set realistic expectations for your customers. Be transparent about the challenges faced due to limited parts availability and the potential impact on repair timelines. Providing accurate time frame for parts acquisition or repair will help manage customer expectations and avoid disappointment. Dealing with limited parts availability is a common challenge in the automotive service industry. However, by adopting a proactive approach and exploring alternative solutions, you can minimize customer inconvenience and provide a positive experience. Establishing effective communication channels, collaborating closely with suppliers, utilizing parts interchangeability, leveraging salvage yards and aftermarket parts, considering parts repair or refurbishment, and setting realistic expectations are key strategies to overcome these obstacles successfully. By employing these approaches, you can navigate limited parts availability with professionalism and ensure your customers receive exceptional service even in challenging circumstances. Thanks for joining us. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as well as follow our other platforms for valuable content to help your shop reach its greatest potential.